Hello guys, welcome back to AU Matrix. In this video, we'll see how to set up a Node.js project. So I have created a Node.js folder. Let me open this in my VS Code. In the directory, enter cmd code space dot, and this command will open the directory, the folder in our VS Code. And inside the terminal, we have to initialize our project first. To initialize, the command is npm init. Click on enter. It will ask the package name. We'll keep the same and we'll click on enter, and the version, enter, description we can give first Node.js. Otherwise you can click on enter. It will keep empty, and entry point as index.js, or I will give it as server.js. I'm going to use server.js. Test command skip, repository will skip, keyword skip, license skip, and it's okay. Yes, package.json is created. So we can see here I have added the description first node, and my entry point as server.js. It has created the package.json. So we'll install the necessary things first. npm I means node package manager install the express. The express is used to create an application inside a Node.js project. And Nodemon means I'll tell you why we use Nodemon. And one more will create will install .env. .env because we are going to store our um, secret keys in the .env file. To access the .env file variables inside our project, we need to install this package. So let us install, and meanwhile I will create one file server.js. It's a server.js. First, let me import the express. Const express is equal to require express, and we'll create one application. Const app is equal to express. So let me initialize my port number in env file. I've created .env file and enter port is over 5000. So to access this port variable inside my server.js, we use .env. We already installed the .env, so we have to require const .env is equal to require of .env, and will config .env dot. So now we can import our ports or .env variables inside our applications. Next, app.listen will listen. We have to enter here our port number. So for the port number will give. Let me import my port number here first. Const port is equal to process.env dot port. These two variables should same. This port and this port. So in the app.listen, we'll pass our port number and we'll create one callback function, and we'll log server running on port and port number. This is it. We have set up our Node.js project. Let me run the node my project to run in the same folder directory. We'll enter node server.js. See, our server is running on the port of 5000. And we have installed one more package called Nodemon. I will tell you what is the use of Nodemon. Currently, if I changed something in this, see, I have entered line and I have saved, but nothing is happening. Means my server is not restarting. Uh, Let me give an example. App.get home directory request comma response dot send. So I have saved my file. Okay, and the server is also running. If I go to http colon slash slash localhost colon 5000, see it is returning cannot get. I have given my home directory, but it is showing cannot get because the server is not restarted after saving also. So that whenever we save our application needs to restart automatically. That's why we are using Nodemon. How to use Nodemon? To use Nodemon in the package.json, in the script we'll add dev or something, or you can give a start also. We'll add Nodemon server.js. So the next what we need to do, we'll close this and we'll run as npm run dev. So it is running in 5000. If I change, if I go here and if I refreshed, you can see the home, and if I change home as home to the home and I saved and the server got restarted, and you can see here new home. This is how we can set up our Node.js project. And thank you guys.